Imagine you're a map maker in the late 1500s. As you sail across the open seas charting the Earth's surface, you begin to realize something strange on your map. Looking closely, it would seem as if Earth's coastlines could fit together, almost like a puzzle. This is precisely what happened to Flemish cartographer Abraham Ortelius in 1594. As he unveiled his most recent map, he envisioned a way in which the world could have looked quite different many moons ago. Earth's landscape, as we know and love today, with its 7 continents and 5 oceans, used to look very different. In fact, at one point in Earth's history, it was possible to walk from North America to what is present-day Australia. Through a series of discoveries, which will be covered in more detail in a later video, scientists have come to realize that 300 million years ago, Earth was home to a supercontinent named Pangaea. It was not the first supercontinent and will likely not be the last. In fact, Pangaea is only one of several supercontinents that have existed during Earth's history. Pangaea, Laurasia and Gondwanaland, Rodinia, Ur, and others have formed and broken up repeatedly over hundreds of millennia. But why does this happen? To understand Earth's dynamic history, we first need to take a look into the interior of our planet. Earth is made up of several different layers. Our lives take place on the Earth's uppermost layer, the crust. Below the crust is the mantle, below that is the outer core, and below that is the inner core. We call the upper layer of the mantle and the crust the lithosphere. This layer of rigid rock floats above the asthenosphere, the very viscous region of the upper mantle where convection is thought to occur. The lithosphere does not wrap around the Earth in one solid piece. In fact, there are more than 12 major and many minor tectonic plates that make up our Earth's crust and upper mantle. Over time, these pieces move past, over, or under each other, causing the surface of the Earth to crack and redefine itself over time. It's so slow that Pangaea lasted from the Permian extinction to the dawn of the dinosaurs and into the early Cretaceous period. That is more than 100 million years. As our plates move, they crash, cut, split, and tear into one another. Though this may sound frightening, it is these collisions which are responsible for making Earth's unique landscape. For example, the Himalayas in Nepal formed from the collision of the Indo-Australian and Eurasian plates. The Marianas Trench owes its depth to the Pacific Plate diving under the Mariana Plate. So while the idea of being able to walk, bike, or drive to every country without getting wet would be great, without plate tectonics, our landscape would be very dull.